So let's proceed. Welcome everyone to the first class of the 300 days of code. So congratulations for taking this bold step for you to learn and skill up this 2022. So today's class, I won't be doing much. Why? Because today is just an introductory class whereby I will introduce you guys to what web development is and the tools that you need to install for you to get started building websites and doing web development in general. So as you can see on my screen here, this is Amazon.com official website. And you can see the website has different products like gaming accessories, stuff by category, a lot of stuff here. I might be wondering how did they build websites such as this? So the website has different sections. You can see the footer here, then get to know us. Back, I click on this, it takes me back to the top. It has a search bar, which I can type anything like maybe headset, for example. I click on enter, you see results for different headsets. You might be wondering, how can I do something like this? So that's where web development comes to play. There are different aspects of web development. You can either be a front-end web developer, a back-end web developer, or a full-stack web developer. So it's depending on which area you want to major on. So during the course of this tutorial and during the 300 days of code, you are going to be learning all aspects of web development. So let me just quickly show you guys something. If you right click on any web page and you click on view page source, you can see a lot of source code there, and it might be gibberish to you or it might not make sense to you, but these are the building block of the Amazon website, which I just opened. You can see a lot of things here. You can see different HTML tags, you can see a lot of different elements and different style sheet documents and the like. So these are the building block of Amazon website, and also the source code are the building block of any particular website you see online. So let me close this for now. So I remember during the orientation, the first class we had, I told you guys to open a free Codecamp account. Yes, this is one of the major learning resources we are going to be using during the course of this tutorial. So as you can see, this free Codecamp website has different sections. You can see if you click on menu, you see curriculum profile settings and news and radio. So what I urge you all to create an account so that when you are learning, you can always save your progress. Because if you are learning through the free account, like if you are not signed up, if you walk out of the website or close the tab, once you come back, all your progress will not be saved and you have to start all over. And if you want to earn a certificate from this website as well, you just have to save your progress. And the only way you can save your progress is for you to create an account. So if you right click on this free Codecamp website and you click on view page source, you see the source code for the front end and also some of the back end as well. You can see the HTML, MS, the style sheet, the CSS, and the like. So let me close this for now. So you use a text editor for creating websites such as this. What's the text editor? A text editor is a program that allows you to write plain HTML text or CSS or any language or any library or framework you are using for building your website. It allows you to manipulate HTML tags, CSS tags, and all the language you use for creating your website. And text editor is not just limited to HTML or CSS. You can also use it from general programming like using Python, JavaScript, and the rest. So let me introduce you guys to the most popular text editor that we use during the course of this tutorial. I mainly use some of these. I don't use all in particular, but I just want to give you guys the options so that you can as well choose from all of them and stick to the one that is better or that better suits you. So the first one we'll be looking at is Sublime Text. So you can see the website to download it is sublimetext.com. Either you go to sublimetext.com or you can just go to Google and type Sublime Text, and you click on this first URL that comes up, which is sublimetext.com. So once you click on it, automatically the website will detect the operating system of your device. In this case, I'm using Windows operating system for this tutorial. So it automatically detected that I'm using Windows, and you see download for Windows. If you're using a MacBook or if you're using a Linux machine, you are going to see download for Mac or download for Linux. You understand? So I already have Sublime Text installed on my operating system on my laptop. So there's no need for me to download it. But once you click on this download for Windows, your download will start automatically. And after downloading, just double click on the installer file and follow the instructions, clicking next, accept till the download has been completed. And don't forget, you must be connected to the internet for you to download. You can't download offline. Make sure you are connected to the internet. You can see here, I'm connected to the internet. You just have to connect to the internet. Then these are different sections of the website. All these are, if you feel like you want to go to the website, the entire website, feel free to do so, but they are not important. So you can download for your operating system. The other one, the other text editor I'm going to show you guys is Visual Studio Code. Automatically it detected I'm using a Windows machine. You see the blue download for Windows button. Not to click on it, your download will start automatically. And after the download has been completed, what you have to do is to install it. Double click on the downloaded file and install it. And once the installation is complete, then you can start using it. So today I'm just introducing you guys to different text editors you can use for web development. So it also has the Visual Studio Code also have different sections and different information on their website. On your own and on your free time, you can just go to the website and see Visual Studio Code for JavaScript, Python, Java, Markdown, TypeScript, C++, JSON, PowerShell, HTML, CSS, which is during this tutorial, and many more. So Visual Studio Code is not just for HTML and CSS alone. You can use it for general programming as well. You can see download for Windows, download for Linux machine, and download for Mac operating system. So that's all for Visual Studio Code. Then another text editor that I feel you guys should be aware of is Atom. One way you can go to the download page to click on Atom. If you go to atom.io URL, or you can as well go to Google. One thing you guys should know is that anytime you want to download something, you don't need the official website for downloading it. You can just go to Google and type the name of what you want to download. In this case, Atom, you can download Atom Editor, or you can type Atom Editor or Atom Text Editor, whichever one. You click on search and it will pop up this search result, and you can, one of them is atom.io. So once you click on atom.io, it takes you to this page whereby you can click on this yellow download button, and automatically it will download the atom.io text editor for you. So after downloading, you double click on the downloaded file and click on stop. Note, after downloading a file, automatically, if you are using Google Chrome, it goes to your download history. So what you can do is just to press and hold the Windows and the J button, Windows J, and it takes you to you open another tab where you see your download history. Currently, I've played my download history, but if you downloaded Sublime Text, for example, you are going to see Sublime Text, the download history, and once you click on any of them, to take you to the download location, so you can just double click on the downloaded file and install. So that's all for Sublime Text. As you can see, detected that I'm using a Windows machine. So if you are using any other operating system aside Windows, download Sublime Text for that particular operating system. But as a starter, as a beginner, I recommend it to Windows for now. And once you've advanced, you can actually start using other operating system like Linux or using Mac. Then the last one here is brackets.io. So brackets is also a nice text editor that you can use as well. So the website for it is brackets.io, or you could as well go to Google and type bracket text editor and follow this link brackets.io and click on it, and automatically you see the black download button here. Click on it and wait for it to download. After downloading, you can install it and you can start using it. So in your free time, you can as well just go to the website and see if you can get any other useful information. But the major thing here is to just download the bracket.io text editor and get up and running. Then lastly, I would suggest if you want to practice online and you want to just like prepare coding using your browser, you can create an account on codepen.io. So just go to codepen.io, codepen.io, that's the website. Then create an account. Click on this blue sign up button. Click on this green sign up button and create an account so that when next you come back, you can as well log in and save your progress because you can use it for free without signing up. But if you close this codepen.io tab and whenever you exit your browser, when you come back, you cannot log in, all your work progress will be wiped and you have to like start all over again. So if you want to document and save your progress, create an account and before you do anything, make sure you are logged in so that you can save your work progress. So during the course of the tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to use. So as well, free time, you can just go to the website and you can see. If I click on this website and I click on the view page source, you can see the source code for the front end of the codepen.io website. So all these different HTML elements, CSS elements are what make up this website. Everything you are seeing here, the logo, the search pen, the challenges, button, links, or different links, the color, why this button is this sign up for free is green, all the styling, the color, the customization you are seeing here, everything is being done using HTML, CSS, and other libraries and framework. And these are just the front end source code. So let me close this for now. So recap, make sure for the next tutorial, which is on Wednesday, make sure you create an account of FreeCodeCamp and download any text editor of your choice. I personally use Sublime Text as Visual Studio Code, but you can use Atom, you can use Bracket, you can use any one of your choice. So I think I have, this is Sublime Text, yes. This is just like how the interface looks like. You have different tabs, by the edit, selection sign, and this is just the basic HTML boilerplate. So I pretty like Sublime text editor, and you can as well go with other text editor of your choice. Then you can also use Visual Studio Code. Let me Visual Studio Code text editor. So this is Visual Studio Code. It's currently running. Let me see. Yes. So this is how it looks like. So this is also the basic HTML document, and you can play with it. But in the next tutorial, we after walk you through everything, the settings, the customization you need to do for the Visual Studio Code. So I personally use Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text, but feel free to use any other text editor of your choice. So today is just introduction and getting the necessary tools that you need. So I will unmute you guys, then if you have any questions, you can ask. So if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and ask. If you have any questions, feel free to unmute yourself and ask your question. Yes, I can see you, Henry. Unmute yourself and ask your question.
I just want to say thank you very much for this opportunity to start with, and I want to ask, when are we officially beginning? Like, if we have this, you already gave us different apps we can download, and I think you call them text editing, or how is it called? I can't recall.
Text editor,
Again.
text editor.
So, okay, please. So you said on Wednesday we're beginning, right? Like, or are we starting tomorrow still, or having any class tomorrow?
Are you on the Telegram group? Because there's a timetable for different learning tracks. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for HTML tutorial. Right? Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday for those in the data science track. So after this tutorial, we started, yes, because you can't learn HTML or do anything without having a text editor. You might have this text editor that I've mentioned, but most of the persons said they are beginners and they don't have this text editor. So learning how to installing this different text editor is part of the tutorial. So from the next class, we start doing the actual HTML, but without downloading this text editor, there is no way you can use website using HTML. Hope I'm clear with that.
All right, thank you very much. I think I have the Visual Studio editor.
Okay, if you have that, no need to install. What you just have to do is for you to update. And let me show you guys, if you, just in case you have Visual Studio already installed, what you just have to do is open up your Visual Studio text editor, click on this top here. As you can see, it will bring up a dialog box. What you just have to do is click on check for updates. All my apps are always updated. So once you click on check for updates, automatically if there's any new update, you search for it and install it for you. So I hope I'm clear with that.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah.
All right. So is there any other person? If there's any other person, kindly ask your question. If you have a question, please ask. If you have a question, unmute yourself and ask your question, please. So I'll assume there's no question. So if you need further clarification, just go to the Telegram or the Discord channel and send your questions there, and either me or somebody else will answer your question. So that will be all for this class. See you guys on Wednesday.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay.
All right. Thank you very much.